Glaciers form some of the most majestic landscapes on planet Earth. And the rapid pace at which they're currently melting makes them iconic symbols of global warming. Glaciers are much smaller than the Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets and represent less than 1% of land ice on Earth. As the temperature of glacier ice is usually close to 0 degrees Celsius, glaciers respond much faster to global warming than ice sheets, and their mass loss has been a major contributor to sea level rise during the 20th century. Since current climate conditions cannot sustain glaciers as large as they are today, they will continue to greatly contribute to sea level rise over several decades and beyond if temperature increase continues. In addition to their sea level contribution, glaciers provide fresh water to more than 1 billion people and fill numerous hydropower lakes used to produce electricity. Finally, agriculture is also highly dependent on glacier meltwater, particularly during the dry season. So, in a nutshell, a world without glaciers is clearly a world on high demand for water. What happens to glaciers? What makes them retreat so fast? Well, let's start by asking, what is a glacier? How does it form? The short answer is by accumulation of snow that does not melt completely year after year. Over time, the increasing weight of the resulting snow pile merges the snow grains to glacier ice. The connected grains allow glacier ice to flow downhill under the force of gravity, similar to very sticky honey. This flow moves the mass gained during winter at high elevations to lower ground, where it melts during summer. To know the state of glacier health and its contribution to sea level, glaciologists calculate the mass budget over 1 year. The result of accumulation minus ablation. Just like with any budget, if you lose more than you earn, your assets decrease. For several decades now, glacier mass budgets have been largely negative, meaning that year after year, glaciers are losing mass. In response, flow velocity decreases, more area is lost than replaced, and glacier fronts retreat. Over the past 2 decades, glaciers all over the world lost mass and area. They are unbalanced by the current climate and will continue losing mass for the decades to come. Glaciers are not only crucial and vulnerable water resources or important contributors to sea level rise, they are also an incredible natural heritage. To preserve at least some of them, it is essential to engage in massive and immediate reductions in greenhouse gas emissions.